Hi everyone, and then welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to save a Python file and how to execute. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna use idle, but you could also use another text editor such as Notepad, Notepad++, Visual Studio, and so on. So let's create a new file. I'm gonna come here in File, New File, and this is the tab or the window that it has opened up. So right here I'm gonna write some Python code, okay, and after that I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to execute. So let's just write a simple program. As you guys can see, it has syntax highlight, okay. My first Python file, exclamation mark. I'm gonna close the double quotes, close the parentheses. Will be the entire program. Okay, I'm gonna click in File, and I will come right here and Save As, and I'm gonna create a new folder on my desktop, which I'm gonna call it. Let me see. I'm gonna call it Python files. Okay, let's save as first.py, which is the file extension for Python files. Okay, first.py. Let's save it. So this is the code to execute. I'm gonna click and run run module or F5 or function 5, and you will see the output right here. So yeah, so I'm just came here again, guys. What we're gonna do now is to, let me see. Okay, so we have this file. As you guys can see, here's the path to that file that we just created. Let's copy this. And this is when you execute inside of the idle, but you can also execute with the terminal or the prompt. Command prompt. Okay, so this is the command prompt, and to execute, if you type Python right here, we're gonna see that we entered the Python interpreter. But I can also run a Python file by pasting its path. Okay, so this is the Python command, and this is the Python file. And if I execute this, we're gonna see the same output as before. Okay, so yeah, there is a problem with the name of, because we need to pass this between double quotes, and the reason for that I'm gonna explain later. So as you guys can see, my first Python program. So if you guys have a path which has spaces like this, okay, right here, it is a space. You guys need to pass the path between double quotes. Okay, so the command prompt will be able to handle the file. So thanks guys for watching this video. Thanks for subscribing, and see you guys next time.